Alright, this video is going to be a quick how-to on making a dog tag jig, or not how to make a dog tag jig, but how to laser a dog tag. So I have a dog tag jig made here. The one we have in class actually looks exactly like this. So you can see this is the outline. This is actually 4 inches by 4 inches, dog tag jig for laser use only. Here's where we're going to set our origin. That's 3 inches by 3 inches with our spot for our dog tag right there. See, it's going sideways. So in light burn here, here's my 4 inches by 4 inches outside. Here's the origin that we're going to set up. And then here's the spot where we're going to put the dog tag. I have it set up as this rectangle rather than making it the shape of the dog tag. So just kind of know that there's going to be this area right here that won't be part of your dog tag. So we kind of want to make sure we avoid that. So the first thing, knowing that this is going this way, we need to put some, if we want to just put some text in, I'm going to use a text, and maybe I want to put money key number 34 for my number, maybe a jersey number. So if I want to put it here, now no, that's going sideways. So I can also turn this, I'm going to rotate it 90 clockwise. I like doing this way better than hitting this, because this is kind of hard to get perfect straight. I don't want to end up like that. So that's why I like to do their range this way. So now if I want to go in this way, I can see I'm still a little too small. I can mess with some of this, make my letters squish together or higher, or I can change the height of it as well here. So I want to squish them back. I'm going to have this on its own layer that I'm going to make it layer 9 here at the bottom. So then for output right now, I have, actually we'll just select all and we'll preview this. That is not what I want. We're going to shut that off. Let's do it here. There we go. Alright, so you can see money key number 34. That's going to be the outside the letters because I have it set to line. If I want to fill it, that's probably more what I'm looking for, number 34. And then that'll be on my dog tag. So now I'm actually going to get rid of this, this, and this, because I'm going to set this as my origin, which is going to be right here. So then let's preview this. Now this shows that it's on, and that is this right here. I have a power of 0, so it's actually not going to cut anything. I can also shut that off. Set my origin. That green dot right there means my origin. I can switch it here if I need to. By like the top right, and then there is my. If I want to do an image, I'm going to go and I can find. If I have an image, I just looked up clip art, black and white. Works pretty well. You can find whatever it is you want. This one, it might be too detailed for how small we're doing on a dog tag. We'll see if I can copy this over. I'm going to delete this, paste that. Now, I don't want that checkered, so I can right click, adjust my image, and change up my contrast and my brightness a little bit. My fish is a little blurry on it, so I don't like this picture that much. But I can kind of mess with some of this. Press OK. And I don't like what this looks like, but I could also delete that, and then I could find a different one. Maybe that's not quite so. Copy that. Paste this in here, Control V. And then you can see kind of how big I need to put that in there. And I can add whatever text I want. Now, let me go back. I'm going to copy that, and I'm actually going to go back to my text back on here. Alright, so maybe I have, there's my fishing number, I don't know. But anyway, let's see here. I have the image and I have my layers. I have the image and my text. So now I have to get my settings for my for the engraving. So I'm in Boss Laser, I'm in settings, and I have laser settings, and there's powder coated metal engraving, which is what the dog tag is. So 70 watt laser, 35% power at a speed of 325. So I'm going to change my speed to 325, power of 35. And I'm going to do that for my image as well. And those are off, so if I grab everything, there's my origin in the top right. There's my origin going to be right there. And my dog tag is going this way. So I have it set that way. And I'm going to preview by pressing this button. And then you can see that's it's going to take 1:40. If I invert it, I don't want to do that. And then press OK. Now I can save this onto a flash drive and turn it onto the computer.